Psalms 112, 1. Praise ye the Lord. Blessed is the man that feareth the Lord, that delighteth greatly in his commandment. Psalms 112, 2. His seed shall be mighty upon earth. The generation of the upright shall be blessed. Psalms 112, 3. Wealth and riches shall be in his house, and his righteousness endureth forever. Psalms 112-4. Unto the upright there erreth light in the darkness. He is gracious and full of compassion and righteous. Psalms 112-5. He hath given meat unto them that fear him. He will ever be mindful of his covenant. Psalms 112-6. Surely he shall not be moved forever. The righteous shall be in everlasting remembrance. Psalms 112-7. He shall not be afraid of evil tidings. His heart is fixed, trusting in the Lord. Psalms 112-8. His heart is established. He shall not be afraid until he see his desire upon his enemies. Psalms 112-9. He hath dispersed. He hath given to the poor. His righteousness endureth forever. His horn shall be exalted with honor. Psalms 112-10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. A good understanding have all they that do his commandments. His praise endureth forever.